Badass. Starting with the box. Super nice. Some double-sided tape. Maybe that's just stick it to something. You got this thing right here. A backup. I'm not sure what that's for just yet. It's got a string on it. Antenna. Some more antennas. And a real nice USB cable. Got to give up love, even to the foam inserts. Everything's just so clean and presentable. Now, I initially bought this stuff right here for my home audio system so I can control the bass from my couch and not have to fire up my laptop and the software to tap into my bass amps every single time I wanted to make a small adjustment. So that's probably where this one will go, but I really want to put them in every car I own. I haven't even tried it yet. I haven't even turned it on yet. So I can't wait. Sick!
When I'm done spark and it's dark out, it's a light show. Yeah, it's just the way we live. It's a light show. It's a light show. It's jury on me, it's jury on me.
That thing's nice.
I'm paranoid when it comes out. I keep on
Hey, this thing's the truth. So sick.
no sleep when you grind down in the game. I ain't reached my peak. Riding in my ride with your girl and nothing. Every time I hear my phone ring, another $1 million, so they go. My government's the coldest. I don't care if they notice. They like how much you smoke. More money in a brown bag. Brown bag. More money in a brown bag.
I was trying to come up with a way to do some slick editing and make this look all cool, but you know what? There really isn't much more to say. This thing is badass. I can't wait to use it in all my vehicles, including my house.
More money, more money, more money, more.
So I really love this bass knob for obvious reasons. It's wireless, of course, because that's what it is. It's got a lot of features. It's a very well done product. Matter of fact, product of the year if you ask me. So I plan on putting it in all my cars. But the real reason that I bought it was for this. So I'm currently running audio control, everything. I don't really have to have any kind of bass knob for this, because technically it's set up really good already. When you're watching a movie or a TV show, the bass is in the perfect spot. It sounds lovely. It's not overwhelming. It sounds just the way that it's supposed to. But I might be watching a movie and I might think it needs one more click up, just one more, maybe two. I don't want to have to go to the laptop every single time I want to do that. Then there's those times where I'm bumping me some E40 or some Too Short, whatever kind of slappage I got going on, and it needs just a little bit more. And you know how we do it. I'm a little bit of a bass head. We're going to have to throw up the bass knob just a little bit. So this is all audio control, home audio, 9.2.4 surround. We got 16 channels. We got 33-inch subwoofers, Dolby Atmos. The whole living room is surrounded by speakers, and everything just sounds lovely. The only problem is every single time that I want to adjust the bass a little bit, I got to fire up the laptop, fire up the audio control interface, and make my adjustments there. And if I don't like it, I got to come back to the laptop and adjust it again. It's not really that big of a deal. And that is a nice feature to have, but it'd be nice to be sitting on my couch and have that little thing sitting in my hand, ready to go at all times, just to adjust it on the fly the way I like it. Of course, I realize that a properly set up home audio system, you shouldn't have to do none of that. But some of us bass heads need that just a little bit more sometimes. Like you're watching a movie and a car pulls up and someone's bumping their beat in the car. My favorite thing is when my system is beating too. So there's times when you need a little bit more, even if technically you shouldn't really have to do that. And this little thing right here is going to be the answer and the truth. So here's a solution to not having to fire up the laptop every single time. I'm basically going to turn it up at the laptop and then attenuate with the bass knob. As you can see, I have some XLR to RCA adapters here, both male and female, because we've got RCAs here. And there's not a single RCA in that entire system, and there's 16 channels sitting there. It's all XLR. So we're gonna have to tap in. What we have here is a 7-channel, a 5-channel, a 4-channel, and my 2 sub-channels. Those will be controlled with this new setup. So this really shouldn't be too hard. It's just a matter of pulling this thing back and climbing in there. It's a little dusty back here, but everything's still pretty clean. Just need to grab a couple XLRs off the bottom down there from the inputs. Basically tap in. Now, since I'm doing this in the house and not in a car, I'm going to use a power pack. 12 volts, of course. Tap into the little plug. Should be good to go. One thing about this plug and these little wires, my fingers aren't as nimble as they used to be, but I still got it. We get it done. So when you look behind my console and you see all these wires, they're actually a lot more organized than they look. They were in perfect condition, all orderly and nice, and they still are. But over the last few years, I've added a few things, a couple of gaming consoles, moved a couple of wires around, and sometimes they just don't go back where they were. And it's everyday use, everyday life. Like right now, I'm adding this thing. So, you know, I got to do some zip tying.
That's the call of my auto. Lay on the rich, they holla.
It's definitely working. Badass. Now I just got to put all this back together. If this thing wasn't already extremely cool, it's also got a phone app. So this never ends. It's all the way to no bass. No 33s anymore.
We're all records, baby. No bass. Yeah, and hell, I'm trying to see missed contact. Hitting niggas, taking from the game, too. Something like my hammer, strike, I'm smoking first, isn't it? I'm in the building and I'm feeling like.
Alright, this thing's a perfect addition to my home audio system. Just like I said, when I'm trying to bump, I want to throw just a little bit more into it. But when I'm watching movies and stuff, back it off to a perfect level where it's not overwhelming, it's just right. And I ain't got no chords. Shout out to LF Audio. What a great product this is. And by the way, before you talk shit about my little TV, that's a 98-inch Sony, so how you like that? Just throw that thing right here, leave it there. Now it's part of the rest of everything. I'm out.